بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now coming to the practicals part, so if you want to implement the FortiGate firewall, which is something we'll be implementing, so most of the labs we will be using a virtual environment, which means we can either use the GNS3 tool. So I expect you to have some idea on the GNS3 tool or the EVNG or any other alternative tools, similar tools you can use. So these are the two most popular tools we can use. So I do have the setup in any one of these things. Okay. So the prerequisite, I expect you to have this basic setup, and I hope you already have been using this for the routers and the switches. If you already done some CCNA, CCNP level, if you already used this, if not, no need to worry. I just have the playlist. You can just simply follow the playlist and set up these things, software in your machines. Like here also, I do have this on my remote server. So if you just check on my remote server here, which I'll be using for the labs. So on this server, I do have the setup as well. Okay, so I'll be using this, and I have the EVNG as well on this. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly move back. So this is my remote servers where I have the EVNG. So EVNG is already running. I already powered on this EVNG, which is running on 192.168.15.94. So the same 15.94, and you can run the labs here. So we'll be setting up the basic lab. Anyway, this lab is already set up. So what we'll do is we'll try to set up one simple lab. How to do this is on the EVNG. So I expect you to already have the EVNG pre-installed. Okay, so we'll be using this tool here. Okay. Another option, you can also use the GNS3. So if you're aware of GNS3, you can also use the GNS3 tool. With the help of GNS3 tool, also you can do the labs. Now the images, again, I'll be sharing the images. You can find the images. I'll drop the shared link anywhere, so no need to worry. So the FortiGate images I'll be sharing. So probably you can use these images to upload the files. So I'll try to drop the links as well for you, and we'll be using this 7 dot images. So whichever the image working, we'll be using this. Okay, so the prerequisite again, I expect you to know the setup, and if not, you can just refer the playlist, which can be used to refer to have the basic setup. So you can have the setup and the basic the configurations, like the prerequisites you need to have, or the minimum hardware configurations. You need to have at least 16 to 32 GB of RAM running, where each firewall will take around 1 to 2 GB of RAM. So FortiGate uses lesser resources compared to other firewalls. So we'll be running a topology. I'll also share the topology which we'll be using later on. So the first thing what we need to make sure that we have this enabled. So I need to just disable this just a minute, because this is something enabled. So what we'll be doing is we'll be using this, either the GNS3 or the EVNG. You can use these options. Okay, so whichever you are comfortable. So if you're doing it for the first time, you can use any of this. So EVNG is much stable one compared to the GNS3, but again, both are almost the same. The only difference is you need to have the pro license to run some images. It still works with the free option. The images, anyway, I'll be sharing the images. So images, I'll share that Google Drive link where you can have the access. So you'll find that in the email as well. So the images you just need to set up. Anyway, in the next coming sessions, we'll be setting up how to do that. So this is something I expect you to know. If not, if you're new to this GNS3, as I said, you can refer the playlist on the channel. There is a separate playlist. Let me just quickly show you that as well. You can generally find this GNS3 playlist. you can find the specific playlist on the channel here itself. Okay, so if you just go to the channel, there are different playlists you can find. In that, you should be able to locate the GNS3 or the event. So you can go with the step by step. This is a Cisco specific playlist you can go with. The GNS3 playlist. Okay, anyway, I'll share the link, links anyway for you. Okay, so that's it. The next thing, we'll try to see how to set up these things one by one. First, I'll start with any one of this.